These scratches you see on your car cannot be repaired. Only one way. Because these scratches are very superficial and cannot be filled in with paint. In this method, we re-scrape the scratches and make them deeper to fill in the paint inside. Just be careful not to go too deep. Smooth the edges of the scratches with 2500 grit sandpaper. Apply the paint that is suitable for the car to the scratches with a bank card and fill in the scratches. And then we wipe off the excess paint around with a cotton swab dipped in thinner. After the paint dries, we repeat the same procedure. Just make sure the paint is not too loose and has a slightly jelly-like consistency. After it dries completely, we smooth the surface with 2500 grit sandpaper and remove the excess paint around it, leaving only the paint inside the scratches. And in the final step, we polish and finish the job. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like. Thanks.